We begin with a legal development to tell you about tonight in the fight to keep the Browns in Cleveland. A Cuyahoga County judge is now allowing the city's lawsuit against the team to move forward, citing strong evidence that a move to Brook Park is no longer just speculation. Peter Fleischer breaks down the ruling and why the two sides can't agree on how this law should be enforced.
A major win for Cleveland in the courtroom as Cuyahoga County Judge Lauren Moore denied the Browns' motion to dismiss the city's lawsuit, built around the Modell Law. Moore's reasoning was simple. The Browns, quote, have made it clear they will not fulfill their obligations to the city, end quote. She cites the Browns purchasing land in Brook Park, frequent strategy and planning meetings with the Mayor of Brook Park, and hiring a contractor. In her eyes, all that means the move is no longer hypothetical. At a stop in Northeast Ohio this week, Governor Mike DeWine refused to take a side, but weighed in on the ongoing battle.
As far as any kind of lawsuit, people have the right to go to court, and that's why we have courts, and that's why we have judges, and they'll make their decisions.
Moore's decision also points to a lawsuit the Browns filed in federal court in October of 2024. The team wanted the Modell Law declared unconstitutional before the city could enforce it, a point the two sides debated in front of Moore last month.
Instead of having one court that can address all of the issues in these parallel cases, the first filed claim in front of Judge Ruiz, the city wants two.
He said, we have a present intent to move to Brook Park, but until we actually kick the football in our first game in Brook Park, the Dome Stadium at Brook Park, you can't enforce the Modell Law against us. That is what he said. I cannot believe that that's what the Ohio legislature intended.
The federal proceedings are currently stalled, so Moore says there's no active conflict between the two cases.
At this point, we have not heard concrete information about how the law change will impact this active litigation. I reached out to the Browns for their reaction to today's decision, and so far, we haven't heard back. Between lawmakers across Ohio and leaders in Cuyahoga County and Cleveland, we know opposition to the Browns in Brook Park still exists, and this process could still have some surprises ahead. Christy?
It has, up to this point, certainly. Thank you so much. We appreciate it, Peter. Well, Cleveland City Council President Blaine Griffin praised the judge's decision. In a statement he wrote in part, "This isn't just about a stadium. It's about the economic vitality and continued visibility or viability of our central business district. This fight is far from over, and I will continue to champion the cause of keeping our beloved Browns right where they belong, at home on Cleveland's lakefront."